Imagine the universe bursting into existence once more, a colossal explosion of energy and matter. If the Big Bang happened again, it would be a cataclysmic event, reshaping everything we know. Galaxies would form anew, stars igniting in a cosmic dance. But this time, the laws of physics might play out differently. What if dark matter and dark energy shifted? The very fabric of space-time could warp, leading to bizarre realities, perhaps even parallel universes colliding. Life, as we know it, might not even emerge. Instead, we could witness a chaotic ballet of particles, swirling in a primordial soup, or a universe dominated by black holes. The echoes of the first Big Bang still resonate in our cosmic microwave background, a faint whisper of creation. If it happened again, we'd be left with questions that challenge our understanding of existence itself. Would we be observers or mere remnants of a universe reborn? The possibilities are as infinite as the cosmos itself.